Hello everyone and welcome to the Revit Academy, and today's tutorial is going to be on how to create a basic cavity wall detail. Once we have created the walls, we need to add the foundation. We can change the width and the foundation thickness to whatever dimension that we need to. I'll keep it at 600 by 600, and the material I'm gonna leave it as concrete cast in situ. I'm gonna also adjust some of the elements within the wall, like the insulation. I'll turn it to 100. This is just for illustration purposes only. So once we have created the walls and added the foundation, and just by the way, I have already created a video that outlines how to create foundations, and I will leave the link to that video in the description box below. In order to generate a detail, first of all what we need to do is create a cross section. Once we have created a cross section, on the left hand side of the screen in the project browser there is a section called sections, and the section that you have created will appear below this category. You can change the scale to whatever scale you want. I'm going to change it to 1 to 10. Actually no, I'm going to change it to 1 to 50. The reason why I'm leaving that at 1 to 50 is because I'm going to be creating a call out of the foundation, and I will change that to a lower scale. So in order to create a call out, click in the views tab and click on call out. Once you have created the call out, again that call out will now appear under the sections category. We can change this scale to whatever we want now. Mostly it's 1 to 5, 1 to 10, or 1 to 2 if you want the finer detail. These kind of drawings are produced in the construction stage. You can change the coarse to fine, medium. So once we created the call out, sections and the plan, I wanna put this information onto the sheet. click on level 0, change that to, leave that as 1 to 100. Now let's start filling this detail in. So let's start off with the brickwork. Click on annotate, click on the components and click on the repeating detail, and you can find the brick section. Click on the brick section and start creating your courses, and you repeat the command for block work as well. So our block work is 100. Now let's add the insulation, 100. Don't know why that. I don't know why that's offsetting. Shouldn't do. But we can manually move it. It's not a problem. As you can see, we don't need to apply a hatch for the plasterboard because it's already there. Same with the concrete. But if you was to create a hatch, it's fairly straightforward. Click on the field. You can, before creating it, you have to edit type, duplicate, give it the relevant name, give it the relevant hatch, and that's it. I want to load in a brake line. There we go. Now I'm just gonna quickly annotate. $100 block work. I'm just gonna change the arrowhead. To a dot. $100 block work. Do the same for insulation. The same for brickwork. So there you have it. This is standard detailing for your cavity wall. I will be doing more videos on detailing, but if you're new to this channel and you're new to the architectural industry, this is how you present information in the architectural world. You gotta have a floor plan to show where the section is, you gotta show the actual section, then you do a call out, then you present that call out information onto you bring it onto the sheet as another view, and it automatically references the number to the section, and also the call out, which is number 2, is referenced on the floor plan, so it's more easier to read. And we can turn off these elevations because we don't really need them. So there you go. I hope you learned something, and if you can please subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share, and that will be much appreciated. And there's gonna be more videos coming in the near future, so stay tuned. Have a good day.